Hello and welcome to today's video, and this is the first ever on this channel. And what we're going to be doing is going to be basically detailing my personal car. I've done a few in the past, but I'm starting up my own business of car detailing, and I thought, hey, why not show off what I can do on my car. So what we'll do is we'll have a look around the car inside and out. The first port of call is the inside, because the inside is the worst, and then if we have time on today, I will do the outside. So let's take a look. Okay, so this is my personal car. This is the Ford Mondeo. It's a 57 plate, so it's a 2007. So as we come up, so you can see on the tires, on the wheel, it's not like very clean. It is pure filth, and obviously I've got some where I've curbed, so I'm gonna get these cleaned, and then I'm gonna try and get these repaired, not by myself because I don't know how. There's also pure dirt. It's absolutely filthy. I haven't cleaned this for quite a while, since the summer, and obviously it's been pretty darn cold. Obviously these are getting removed because there's no sun anymore, so we need to get rid of them. As we come round to the back and then to the other side, as you can see, tires, and the most filthiest tire is this one. So what we'll do is we'll go into the inside in a second, but I don't know if the camera can pick up, I've got these spots where basically bird dropping have happened, and obviously I've wiped them down but not quick enough, so it's left this mark on it, and hopefully we can get that out today. And as you can see, there's a few more which are on the paintwork, and hopefully we can try and get these out today if we have time. So let's have a look on the inside. Okay, before I actually go in, I will tell you, because it's absolutely disgusting in here, that I do tip runs. We've moved house, so we've had furniture in there, I've had material. My mum did houses, so I've taken rubble and stuff like that, and I've got 3 kids. I've got a 18-month-old, 6-year-old and a 14-year-old. So yeah, the car is not in the best of state, as you can see. Dummy. So this is my car and yeah, it's just absolutely filled full of junk, and this is why I'm want to do it. And then we'll go into the boot, and again, just utter crap inside, and this is why I want to try and do this on my own car, so I can kind of show off how bad it can be, and then I can then show off on how then good the car can be when it's all done. Like this side, my side that I drive, it's not too bad. So let's get into the inside. So there's bits there and stuff like that which I need to tidy out, and obviously you got scuff marks on the side where as you get in you scuff it with your foot. The dashboard, it's very fluffy. Obviously the radio, reason being why that's not in, because I got an aftermarket radio, none of them Android ones, but it was draining my battery, and I've taken it out and it sorted out the problem. Yeah, it's just I don't even know if this will pick it up. Let's have a look. There we go, just full of hair. Like I said, this hasn't been cleaned for about 6 months kind of thing. So I've got Mackies, I've got bits of paperwork and stickers, which I've had this sticker since my little girl when I first got the car, so that's why that's staying there, because I thought it would be nice. And obviously you got the seats, this is my other half. She spilt a drink and stuff like that, and it's just pure filth. And what we're going to do, we're going to show you the tools that I'm going to be using. Okay, so this is the little beauty that is going to get rid of all the dirt, and it is the Vac Master. And this is the top of the range Vac Master that you can buy. It's the wet and dry 1600 watt 50 litres. So that is going to be absolutely amazing to do. As you can see, I literally just got this yesterday, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to use it today. That's why I'm doing it now. And you know, it's going to be proper, so you have the proper car cleaner head in there, which is nice. You've got all these poles, extension leads and stuff like that, and then you've got the floor head in there, and then inside the drum will be the actual you know, the hose. That's the word I was after. Moving on from this, so when everything is all hoovered, we are going to be doing a bit of steam cleaning, there we go, to make sure there's no other dirt and stuff like that, get rid of all that. This is the Karcher I said steam cleaner with nozzle. So you fill that with water, heats up, and it's absolutely amazing. It's brilliant for like every other like daily use and stuff like that, cleaning kitchen, bathroom, you know, you name it. It's brilliant. And I just use this on my car, or on the nooks and crannies in the car, to get that looking absolutely fantastic. And then I've got other things as well. So you can like kind of see what, like, you know, I'm using. So I'm using 303 protectant, which is going to be absolutely amazing to make the vinyl inside the car absolutely like spot on, look like new. This is the stuff that I'll be using. This is bit hammer fallout remover. I'll be using quite a bit of you know, that make, because, you know, it is one of them. And then I got these. Give me one sec. Let's have a pick out of this. And I did a review, and it's a power sprayer. It's like a portable car wash kind of thing. I thought, you know what, this would be amazing for just doing like the carpets, and you know, doing like the fallout remover kind of thing, or like, you know, the film remover, and you know, on the back on the car, to get rid of all the tar. And just the sticky stuff which is stuck to the car. Because if I close these doors, and then you might not be able to see, but in here embedded is going to be like tar, and I don't know if you'll be able to see these like spots here kind of thing. They are like tar, and like it comes up, and obviously when you clean the car you can see them more noticeable, and that stuff will get rid of that quite nicely. And then when we spray all the carpet cleaner stuff with this, I've got two, so one for the carpets and one for the outside, so I can not have to like clean them out and stuff like that all the time. I've got the Bissell Carpet Cleaner Pro, and this was like on a channel which I watch, and he uses it all the time, and he like swears it's really good, and oh my god, it is. It's one of the best machines I've used, and it was quite cheap as well, worth getting. If you don't do car detailing or anything like that, you just need a carpet cleaner, like a spotlight cleaner. This is the best one that you can mostly buy. And then all the stuff which we'll be using is, let's have a look. So this is the Howell powered you know, degreaser, which we'll be using all over the car, inside and out. We have Meguiar's ceramic, a hybrid ceramic wax, so when we finished we then sprayed that on to then give it I'm trying to think where the water like comes off, and it's looking really good. This is the carpet stuff that we'll be using. I've got another bottle which is not a pet stain, but you know, the way that my car is, I kind of need it. I've got an auto wheel, again, for a bit hammer. Again, this make is really good. I've had loads of reviews on it as well, so I thought, hey, do you know what, I'm going to give that a go. And then inside, I was going to say, these lights are from Aldi, 20 quid, and I've got two, and they are so bright. Worth recommending getting these. There you go, so you can have a look at the model there you go, that's what they are, 20 quid, and they are fantastic. And then inside I've got these to clean the carpets and the seats and stuff like that, to dig down and get them clean. And then for the glass, I have Meguiar's Perfect Clarity Glass Cleaner. and that's going to be good to do. And then to scrub in, look at it's on charge. To plug in, I've got a DeWalt drill that I got for my work, and they are like pretty darn good. So for the power wash, I've got a Karcher K7 full control, which is really powerful. Gets rid of all like the stuck on grease, stuck on dirt, and everything else that we can possibly clean. So let's get on. So at this moment in time, I don't have a tripod, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you before and after photos, maybe a few things along the way, maybe one wheel where I'm holding it, and you can see like the stuff actually working on the wheels and stuff like that. So let's get on cleaning this car. Let's start on the inside, because that's the main thing, because as you can see, little finger marks on the inside, which that's why I want to start on the inside, because it's just one of them. It's just, we're in winter, we're in November now, and I'm not really too fussed if I don't like give it a full clean, as long as I do my rinse, my snow foam, a wash, then I can wax it, I can polish it, and then I can seal it, and that's all that matters at the moment. I'm not going to do like proper clay barring and stuff like that, which I want to try and do, but I don't think I'll have enough time to do all that. So let's get on with the show. Okay, so I've got rid of all the junk inside, like, taking the car seats out and all the stuff which I thought, hey, I might need to keep this. So that's all out the car. All the rubbish is in the bin, and it looks so much different. Obviously, yes, there's still a lot of crap in the car that needs to be hoovered, but it just looks so much better. Obviously, the back of the seat needs doing. All this needs hoovering. I'm going to take this out, hoover underneath in the wheel, and then have a look at that. It's just so much stuff in the car. Like, I've got a nappy which is stuck, which I need to lift this seat up. There's like chips from Mackey's. The seat has got a bit of mold on it, so that needs to be treated. And again, mold on the floor, which is when I took some rubbish to the tip, and obviously it just built out, and obviously it's just stuff being piled up in between like the seats there as well, needs doing. Underneath the chair needs doing. Basically, this is going to be like one of them things where you kind of go, right, okay, I want to do this professionally, and stuff like that. I want to start my own business, so this is like the perfect thing of like saying, look, if you've got kids, this is what it might look like, or if you've got dogs, this is what it might look like. If you do building work, this is what it looks like. And I just want to like show you guys that, hey, yeah, I'm not perfect. Yeah, if you've got kids, and full right that they are going to be a bit messy, sometimes a bit messier than others, kind of thing. But it's just one of them where it's just a case of the rubbish in the car. I always go, I'd rather have it in my car than blowing around in the streets, kind of thing. So, and then obviously I'll try and put it in the bin, but I don't seem to do that. But yeah, that's going to be a thing that's going to be changed, kind of thing. I'll show you the front as well. Again, chips in the front seat. Just everything just needs going over. And it is just going to look absolutely amazing. It's going to be like a different car in there, and I just cannot wait to start. So let's get on with the cleaning. I'll try and show you a bit, maybe the hoovering kind of thing, maybe a bit of the carpet cleaner as well, so we can have a look and see how that goes. So I'll see you in a second. Okay, so I've just finished the hoovering of the car, so it's not the final thing, but just have a look at how like clean these carpets are. Like, yes, there's still a bit like of dirt actually embedded, but I'm hopefully that when I do the spot clean with the bristle, this will get all out, and obviously when I use my brushes and stuff like that. But it just looks so much cleaner. And obviously I need to finish off that. I didn't like do that. Oops, I forgot to do the seat forward. Oh, there we go. And then take a look at that. Yes, it still, as I said, needs a bit of cleaning for the the carpet cleaning and stuff like that. So all this will get cleaned and it will look brand new in here. Obviously this needs doing. I will get on that. That looks all nice and clean in there. And obviously we've seen inside there, and then the driver's side again, it will look even better when that happens. So it's just a lot. It's coming on so nice and stuff like that. And so yeah, this Hoover, holy moly, it is so powerful. Give me 1 sec. Okay, so I have now finished, but the weather has turned on me, so I can't really do much on the outside. So I have to come back and do that another time. So let's have a look on the inside, and oh my word, it's like a brand new car. And it is just absolutely amazing of how clean this is. Like, it's one of them where, you know, I'm assuming the camera's not going to do any justice of the actual work that's been done, considering how dirty this is. Like this shows up like a white, but here and now like shows up black, and the doors look absolutely amazing again in the back. Everything just looks absolutely fantastic, and I couldn't be happier the way that this has turned out. I think if someone bought their car to me and, you know, put their car in, then I'm assuming that they're going to be happy with, you know, what they will get. Obviously I told you about the radio, so let's close up. And yeah, it is just absolutely beautiful. Like, you know, this was all caked in dust, it's now not. And I've protected this as well, which I thought I wasn't going to, but I thought, you know what, I might as well do it, and it's just absolutely beautiful. What I'll try and do, I'll pause the video and try and get a wide shot, because I know on this phone I can do wide shot here, so give me 2 seconds. Okay, so we are now in the wide angle, so you can kind of have a better view. As you can see that, you know, it's actually like, you know, so it's not raining, but it's just spitting down, and obviously you can't really do much work or any detailing when it's like pissing it down. Like, I want to try and get a cover so I can put it over the car, so then I can do stuff like that. Like, I've been looking into it. I've also been looking at premises as well to try and maybe you know, get myself something somewhere, you know, nice and cheap, just to, you know, do that. And obviously if it kicks off and stuff like that, then I can just do something like that. But yeah, it is just absolutely amazing of how nice it is. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to end this one here. Thank you for watching. Hopefully that you did enjoy this video. Obviously I will be doing a couple more, you know, because obviously I've got a few clients ready, up and going. I've got my mum's car, which is that car there, which I'm going to be doing as well. You know, I kind of started it, but I'm going to finish it up. But you know, I've taken photos, so you can have a quick look at that. But yeah, it is just absolutely amazing of how like nice this car has actually turned out to be. So I will end on some photos so you can see, you know, what the car looks like now. Okay, so I'll see you hopefully in the next one.